Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to track Temu delivery dates without the app. For the first thing you need to do is launch the browser. At the top search bar, choose the browser you like, and at the top search bar type in login. You will see Temu login itself will be one of the options that will show, so go ahead, or you can type in Temu login. Then go ahead, tap onto that link and make sure that you are logged into your specific account. And when you get there, you see a particular page, and in order for you to make sure that you have logged into your account, you will also see your initials there. Tap onto it, that is your initials, and you will see your orders. Again, tap on it and make sure that you are under all orders. You will see all the orders that you have placed, and then you also see the delivery address. If you tap on the shipped or processing or under processing, if your order is still being processed, you will see the delivery date. And that is how you can solve this issue. It's as simple as that.